Are you ready for some inspiring 4th of July decorating ideas? Whether you're decorating the inside of your home, your front porch, or your backyard, I've got plenty of festive inspiration to share. We'll explore beautiful ways to decorate with American flags, patriotic colors, wreaths, table settings, porch displays, and more to help you celebrate Independence Day in style. Consider placing American flags in your porch planters for a simple yet classic display. Add flowers and patriotic colors to complete the look. Red petunias are one of my favorite choices because their vibrant blooms create a beautiful pop of color around the front door. You can also pair them with white flowers and blue lobelia or salvia for a stunning red, white, and blue arrangement. And don't forget the wreath. A beautiful red, white, and blue wreath on your front door is the perfect finishing touch. Whether you choose one decorated with ribbons, stars, or miniature flags, a patriotic wreath creates a warm, welcoming first impression and lets everyone know you're ready to celebrate Independence Day in style. Transform your living room into a warm and welcoming patriotic retreat with classic red, white, and blue accents. Layer cozy throw blankets and decorative pillows in shades of red, white, and blue to instantly add festive color and texture. Dress up your fireplace mantle with patriotic bunting, pillar candles, and vintage American flags for a timeless Americana look. Fill clear glass jars, hurricanes, or apothecary containers with red, white, and blue decorative balls, beads, or ornaments to create simple yet eye-catching displays. Hang framed patriotic artwork, vintage Americana prints, or historic flag illustrations to celebrate the holiday while adding character to your walls. Arrange fresh flowers such as white daisies, blue hydrangeas, and red carnations in galvanized metal pitchers or vintage milk glass vases. Style your coffee table with a wooden tray featuring candles, miniature flags, and a few festive seasonal accents for an elegant finishing touch. To keep your table festive while maintaining an elegant look, add thoughtful finishing touches like miniature American flags, decorative stars, candles, or fresh red, white, and blue floral arrangements. For a more sophisticated feel, incorporate metallic accents such as gold or silver chargers, candle holders, or flatware to add a subtle touch of sparkle. Whether you're hosting a patriotic brunch, a family dinner, or a backyard barbecue, a beautifully styled table creates a warm, inviting atmosphere and helps bring the entire 4th of July celebration together. Your guests are sure to appreciate the extra attention to detail as they gather to celebrate America's Independence Day. Since many 4th of July celebrations take place outdoors, your backyard, patio, or porch should feel just as festive as the inside of your home. Dress up your outdoor spaces with patriotic table linens, red, white, and blue banners, balloons, string lights, and simple centerpieces to create a welcoming atmosphere for family and friends. To make entertaining easier, consider creating separate stations for food, drinks, desserts, and even a fun photo backdrop. Not only does this help keep everything organized, but it also encourages guests to mingle and enjoy every part of the celebration. As the sun begins to set, enhance the atmosphere with lanterns, LED candles, or warm string lights around your seating and dining areas. These soft lighting elements create a cozy, welcoming glow that's perfect for relaxing after dinner or gathering with family and friends to watch the fireworks. When decorating outdoors, choose decorations that are durable, easy to clean, and designed to withstand the weather. Be sure to secure lightweight items so they stay in place, especially if you're hosting a barbecue or a busy family gathering with children and guests moving throughout the space. With just a few thoughtful finishing touches, your outdoor entertaining area will feel warm, festive, and ready for a memorable 4th of July celebration. Create a festive fireworks wreath. Arrange the pinwheels to resemble colorful fireworks, then add star accents and festive ribbon for extra charm. In just a short time, you'll have a cheerful red, white, and blue wreath that makes a welcoming statement and adds the perfect patriotic touch to your home's entrance for Independence Day. Vintage-inspired bunting. Add timeless patriotic charm to your home with vintage-inspired bunting. Featuring gathered red, white, and blue fabric, this classic decoration instantly creates a warm, nostalgic feel that celebrates the spirit of Independence Day. Drape it across your front porch, entryway, deck railing, or windows to give your home a festive Americana look. Whether your style is traditional, farmhouse, or vintage, patriotic bunting is a simple yet elegant way to welcome family and friends while honoring the holiday. Create a magical patriotic display with a star lantern garland. Strung across a porch railing, doorway, pergola, or outdoor seating area, these whimsical star-shaped lanterns add classic Americana charm to your 4th of July celebration. As evening falls, the soft glow from the lanterns creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that's perfect for outdoor dinners, backyard gatherings, or watching the fireworks with family and friends. Whether illuminated with LED lights or traditional string lights, a star lantern garland is a beautiful way to add festive sparkle and make your outdoor space feel extra special. Before you go, be sure to check the links in the description below. I'll be adding more Amazon links to home decor, seasonal decorations, and decorating accessories that I think you'll enjoy. If you're looking for inspiration or would like to recreate these looks, you'll find my recommendations there. Thank you so much for supporting Bella Decor. Balloon bunting. Make a bold, patriotic statement with oversized red, white, and blue balloon buntings. Their vibrant colors and layered, scalloped design instantly draw attention and create a festive focal point for your front porch or entryway. Hang them across your front door, porch railing, garage, or covered patio to give your home a grand, celebratory look. Pair them with American flags, lanterns, potted flowers, or string lights to complete the display and create a warm, welcoming entrance for family, friends, and neighbors. Create a festive 4th of July table. Set the stage for a memorable Independence Day celebration by starting with a classic red and white gingham tablecloth. This timeless pattern instantly creates a warm, vintage-inspired backdrop for your patriotic tablescape. Next, layer your favorite 4th of July decorations, including festive dinnerware, coordinating napkins, patriotic placemats, and charming centerpieces. A red bow vase filled with fresh red, white, and blue flowers makes a beautiful focal point and can be enjoyed long after the holiday. Complete the table with delicious summer favorites like hamburgers, hot dogs, crispy French fries, fresh fruit, and festive desserts. For a fun and creative touch, surprise your guests with a DIY hamburger cake that's sure to be a conversation starter. With a thoughtfully decorated table and plenty of patriotic charm, you'll be ready to gather with family and friends and celebrate Independence Day in style. Let freedom ring. A beautifully decorated dessert bar is a fun addition to any 4th of July backyard celebration. It naturally becomes a gathering place where guests can enjoy sweet treats while adding plenty of festive red, white, and blue charm to your party. Decorate the table with patriotic banners, mini American flags, colorful balloons, and fresh flowers to create an eye-catching display. Then fill it with a variety of delicious desserts such as cupcakes, cookies, brownies, fruit skewers, pies, and candy in patriotic colors. Add decorative cake stands, glass jars, and tiered trays to create height and visual interest. Whether your celebration is a casual family barbecue or a larger neighborhood gathering, a festive dessert bar adds color, personality, and a welcoming touch that everyone will enjoy. It's a simple way to make your 4th of July celebration feel even more memorable. As we celebrate America's Independence Day, I'd like to wish each and every one of my subscribers and viewers a wonderful 4th of July. May your holiday be filled with happiness, great food, beautiful decorations, and time spent with the people you love. Thank you for being part of the Bella Decor community. Happy 4th of July, and God bless America.